Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar overall on these higher time frames, I am definitely still very bullish. I still think this is going to be an uptrend, which most likely will go up and take out these previous highs. I still believe one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels is the most likely place for this to end. Probably part of an ABC correction to the move to the downside if you zoom way out on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think we already have an expanding or running flat wave 2, that is. I think this first push up is a 1. I still think this push down is possibly a wave 2. And I still think there's a very good likelihood it is going to go up and make a wave 3. I think this is already part of a wave 3, and it's like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and a wave 3 of wave 3. All just a subdivision of the bigger wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, we're definitely still in a movement to the downside. I mean, it kind of looked like we already had a complete ABC correction right here. One, two, three, four, five, actually ABCDE. Now, most wave twos, if this really is a wave two, do take out the low of wave four. So we do have to be aware that it potentially could go down to the 50 or even the 61.8 before it does end up continuing up. To me, the daily time frame is definitely telling me that we're still going down. So I definitely am going to still look for shorts on shorter time frames, at least until I get some sort of a big Fibonacci bounce with a breaker structure to the upside, which I definitely do not have as of yet. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we had some more pound news this morning, so it did cause the pound to go down again. This right here was a nice ABC correction, and then we had another smaller ABC correction right here this morning at the GDP news for the pound. Another nice little entry to go long, short. Now, I would definitely be paying attention to these lows right here in this Fibonacci level, because if it does respect that level, go back up and break structure, at least you would know that this sensitive trend is over. And then if it does keep on going up and eventually take out this structure, that's what's going to turn me from it being a seller primarily to being a buyer. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, I'm definitely looking for shorts. I don't think I'd really go short now, but there was definitely a short this morning at the GDP pound news. There was definitely a short yesterday at the CPI pound news. And we definitely had a short last week, on Tuesday, that is, at the CPI news. So we've had some really good shorts this week on the pound dollar, and really, until the higher time frames tell me otherwise, until I see a reason to think that the market is going up in a big way on like the daily time frame and up, I will definitely continue to look for shorts at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of the downtrend until my roadmap timeframes tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.